Assalamu alaikum students. This is last part of the video of June 2019. This is your question 10. In this question, the diagram shows a triangular prism. All lengths are in centimeters. Show that the volume V cubic centimeter of the prism is this much. You can read the question. In this question, he is given that V is equals to 40x minus 5x square. You have to prove this. And we know that the volume of the prism is equals to base area multiplied by height. In this, you can see the base of the prism is a triangle, which is not a right angle triangle, scalene triangles. In this, you will use the area of the triangle formula 1 over 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 8 minus x multiplied by sine 30. Then for volume multiplied by height. So by simplification, 2 cancelled with this 2010, and again sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. So this 2 cancelled with this 10, this is 5. So 5x into 8x minus 8 minus x simplify करेंगे तो your answer will be 40x minus 5x square. Final answer will be this, which is shown for 40x minus 5x square. And at the last B part, he is asking to draw the graph of this equation on the grid in the range of values of x is greater than equal to 1 and x is less than equal to 7. So for these values you have to plot the graph. You can see I have plotted this graph. First of all, we should make the table here. So for making the table, you will use the values. X values have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I did not make the table. You can make this table easily. If there will be any problem, you can ask me. Now here I have plotted all the points, and this type of curve is formed. You can see that this curve is a symmetrical curve about the point 4. Such curve is called symmetrical curve, in which all the distances from the central line are equal and same. So this is your symmetrical curve. In the second C part of the question, he is asking use graph to find the possible value of x for these prisms with a volume of 50 cubic centimeter. So you can see I have dotted the line V is equals to 50, and this line cut the curve at 2 points. You can see in the dotted line. So answer is 1.6 and 5.6. Again in part D, a cuboid has the length 4 centimeter and width 3 centimeter and the height x centimeter. कहते हैं कि by drawing straight line on the graph, your graph, find the value of the prism and the cuboid have the same volume. The formula for cuboid is length multiplied by width multiplied by height. The volume is equals to 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x. So your answer is 12x. So this is a linear equation. So I have plotted this line. You can see the straight line plotted. So both curve and straight line meet at a point opposite this is on x-axis. The volume is 5.6. Value of x is 5.6. Now for the last question, question 11. Question 11. In this question, the diagram shows the position of two ports A and B and a lighthouse L. The bearing of B from L is 62. He has shown in the figure. You can see this is 62, bearing shown 62 degrees. So AB 13 given है. This is AB 13, and BL 14 kilometer, AL 8 kilometers. All the dimensions are marked on the diagram. So calculate the bearing of A from L. For bearing of A from L, we should have the angle ALB, because the bearing of A from L will be this much. This is the bearing. So using cosine rule for calculating the angle L, so this is 66, add up 66 and 62, your answer will be 128. Now a boat is located at C. A boat is located at C. C is 11 kilometer from B and BC is 90 degrees. So by marking a point on the diagram, so at C there will be a right angle, because he has given in the question that BCA angle is 90 degrees. Using this information, the boat travels to port A in a straight line. Find the distance the boat travels. So simply here we will use Pythagoras theorem. We will get answer AC is equal to 6.928 or 6.3 centimeters. Next, last part of this question. In this question, he is asking for the total time traveled. कहते हैं कि the boat then travels in a straight line from port A to port B. It travels at average speed of 3.75 kilometers per hour. Calculate the time taken. So formula is this: speed is equal to distance over time, and time is equal to distance over speed. Distance is 13 and speed is 3.75. So your answer is 3.467. Converting this into minutes and seconds, so your answer will become 3 minutes and 28 seconds. That's it, students, for your paper May-June 2019. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video with the solution of May-June 2019 paper 22.